Hey, what's up, and thanks for tuning back into bbqit. I'm your host, Craig Kimberly. Please subscribe and ring the bell. It lets you know when we make more videos. And in the comments, always open for suggestions and ideas. Now today, we are grilling up. What am I grilling up today?
Oh, it's corn, that's right. Grilled corn directly over the coals.
And this is a very easy recipe, just like most vegetables that you grill: salt, pepper, and olive oil.
As always, let's get our pit rolling. Today it's on Weber 22. Chuck full of some B&B, that's the way I like it. Let's talk time. Approximately 5 to 8 minutes. Temperature 375, 450, we're running hot. And of course, direct heat over the coals. Fresh local corn, there is nothing better this time of the year. Now, I've shucked 10 million of these, so I can usually do it in like 2 pulls. Some people like to cook their corn with the husk on, and that's fine. They soak it and they cook it like that. And it kind of steams it, and I really prefer the flavor you get from directly putting it on the grill. First up, let's put a little bit of olive oil on here. Some people put butter. I prefer olive oil, and this is how I like a lot of my vegetables. And of course, a little fresh salt and some fresh cracked pepper. Make sure you spin these around really good and get a good coating on it. And of course, normally they'd be about 6 or 8 years going on at once, but for today's purpose, 2 seem to be plenty. And let's not forget some fresh black pepper and roll them around a little bit more. Let's make sure we get good coverage here. That's good enough. All right, so it looks like we are up to temp. We're at about 350 degrees, and these are going directly over the coals. They'll immediately start to pop, so don't worry. That's natural. That's what happens when you cook over fire. It'll sound like popcorn. All right, so I'm moving them around, looking for a hotter spot here, and just basically keep watching these for another 4 or 5 minutes. And hey, what do you know? A turkey roaming in the yard. This guy should be scared because I do grill turkey. And there we go. They look ready. Now, you could char these more, but the more you char these, they will start to break down and get soft. And I like my corn to still have that fresh snap to it when you eat it, but still have that beautiful roasted corn flavor. And what's going to make this corn better? It's some fresh butter. And why not a little bit more kosher salt, a little bit of fresh cracked pepper again. Fresh local corn, there is nothing better this time of the year.
Oh yes, don't forget, hit me with some comments down below. And if you haven't subscribed, please do so. Ring the bell, that'll tell you as soon as a video drops, and hit me with some comments, questions, suggestions. I try to get to every single one of them as fast as possible. Thanks for watching bbqit.